Now this vibrant and delightful coconut ice that's super easy to make can be an addition to your Christmas sweet platter. If you haven't seen my other Christmas sweet recipe, check it out. Links in the card and description. Now let's get started. So to make a batch of 500 grams, here's what you'll need. 1 cup of icing sugar, 2 cups of desiccated coconut, 200 ml of sweetened condensed milk, vanilla essence, we'll use half teaspoon, and food coloring of your choice. So let's start by making the base mixture. In a bowl, I've taken icing sugar and I'll combine it with the condensed milk. Now this is 200 ml of condensed milk, followed by half teaspoon of vanilla essence. And now I'll mix all this together until the icing sugar is dissolved and the vanilla essence is equally distributed. Now yes, you can use powdered sugar if you do not have icing sugar in hand. Just make sure that you sift it really well to remove any lumps. But icing sugar is definitely the best choice for a few reasons. First, icing sugar is super fine and dissolves effortlessly into the condensed milk, giving your coconut ice a smooth, velvety texture. It also has no grittiness, which is something you might notice if you use fine sugar or even powdered sugar. Another bonus is how quickly and evenly icing sugar mixes into the wet ingredients. It saves you time and effort while ensuring your coconut ice looks and tastes professional. Now, gradually add the desiccated coconut and mix it thoroughly. Now for the mixing part, you can also use your hand, just lightly grease your hand with butter. But I like to use a spatula because it's less messy than using hands. Now at this stage, if you feel the mixture is too sticky or runny, gradually add more desiccated coconut to absorb the excess moisture and achieve a firmer consistency. Next, divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Keep one portion plain white, that will be the base. Now for the second portion, you can either use pink, red, green, blue, any color of your choice. Now I want to make my platter look colorful. That's the reason I will divide the second portion into 2 equal halves and I will color one portion as pink and the other one as green. Just like this. That's it. Now it's time to layer the dough and set it in a refrigerator. So for that, I have taken a rectangular tray. Now you can also take a airtight container which is rectangular or square. Just grease it with butter. Now this will help in sticking the parchment paper to the tray and it also makes it easy to lift it later. And now let's start layering the dough. First we'll start with the white dough. Spread the white dough evenly as the first layer, pressing it down gently with the spatula. Now layer the colored portions on top. Smooth each layer carefully to ensure a neat and even finish. And now you can just spread some desiccated coconut. Cover it with an aluminium foil and refrigerate it. Once it's set after 3 to 4 hours, take it out of the tray and cut it into squares or rectangles. And there you have it. Your coconut ice is ready to enjoy. Do make it yourself and give me a thumbs up if you found this recipe very simple. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye bye.